Hello, my name is Sarah, and welcome to this video where we will explore the order in which SQL queries are executed. Understanding this execution process is key to mastering SQL and will help us write more complex and efficient queries. Understanding the order of execution is essential for building complex SQL queries. The goal of our query is to find the average budget of films produced in the UK and France, include only those countries where the average budget exceeds 1 million, and sort the result in descending order of average budget. Now, to make this clearer, we will break down the SQL query step by step and simplify the order of execution so you can easily follow how SQL processes each part of the query. When writing a SQL query, it may seem like it's executed from top to bottom. However, SQL doesn't work in that order. Here is the actual logical execution order of SQL clauses. From identify the source table, where filter rows based on conditions, group by group rows that have the same values in specified columns, having filter groups based on aggregate conditions, select, extract the required columns or computed values, order by sort the result set. Now let's break our query down step by step following this order. We begin with the from clause. This step tells SQL to retrieve data from the films table. It's the foundation of the query because every other operation uses this data from this table. Next, we have the where clause. This step filters the rows to include only those where the country column has a value of UK or France. It reduces the dataset, making the query more efficient by excluding irrelevant rows before proceeding further. After filtering, we move to the group by clause. This groups the rows based on country column. Each unique value in the country column becomes a group, and we can now perform aggregate calculations like finding the average budget for each group. Once the groups are formed, the having clause is applied. Here, SQL calculates the average budget for each country and keeps only those groups where the average budget is greater than 1 million. This step filters groups based on the calculated values. Note that we cannot use where with aggregate functions. Now we reach the select clause. This step retrieves the country and the calculated average budget for each group that passed the previous filters. The average budget function computes the average budget, and we rename it as average budget to make it more readable. Finally, the order by clause organizes the result. This sorts the result set in descending order of average budget, so the country with the highest average budget appears at the top, and that's it. The query is complete. Here is the output of our query, which shows the average budget for the UK and France filtered and sorted as specified. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy querying!